Unfortunately, Johnny couldn't make it today, but hey, it's okay, Johnny. I'll eat your part. So today I have a special guest, which is Shirley. Shirley is a really good friend of mine, and she decided to show me this really wonderful Chinese food today.
It's a little bit like Sichuan or Chongqing food. It's called Mala Tang.
Tell me about the food.
There's a lot of good Chinese food. We have to start there. This is a particular type of food called Mala Tang. It's very famous, like street food for people who really enjoy eating spicy. If you ask different people, they will tell you different origin story about where Mala Tang is from, but supposedly it's from Sichuan, China. So the first time I had this food actually is when I was in Beijing. They boil this really deliciously smelling broth, and it's like, it looks spicy, it's red. You pick your own skewers and then they put it in the bowl. I'm looking forward to see what they have. Okay, so I'm gonna begin picking out the veggie that I want. I'm gonna try to be a little bit healthy.
Alright, here it is!
So excited.
I know.
It smells really good. The one thing I didn't mention is actually, even though this food is from southern part of China, actually people from northeastern part of China, like Dongbei, or where you can say Manchurian area in China, took this and then they made some modification and they added like sesame sauce in there, and then that's actually the more popular version in northern part of China if you go to street food.
What is this?
It's like lamb skewer. This is also kind of from Manchurian area too.
So normally I don't eat lamb because I think they're too gamey for me. This is not gamey.
This is very good.
It's good. Wow.
I gotta try the broth. It's good.
It has peanut flavor. Here's the thing. I want it more spicy. More chili.
One thing is the food here is actually, I would say, pretty spicy.
I got the extra spicy one, but I like it more spicy.
I'm gonna try this.
Oh, that sauce is so good.
Oh, I'm so happy. What I really like about the fatty beef, it's like, I think it has a really good balance between lean meat and fatty meat. So we'll bite into it. It's actually soft, and then it like sucks in the flavor. You use chopstick much better than I do. Okay.
But I don't use it the right way.
See, I don't use the chopstick the right way either. Whatever works, you know, whatever works. As long as it picks up your food and you eat it, you're good. You can see why this would be a really good street food, right? It's like really flavorful. Look at this fancy bottle. So the owner just gave us this. It's not what you think it is. It's just tea. So I think this is one of the owner's brand as well, called Madam Tea. It's from Japan, and I'm not sure how it's brewed. But however, even though like it doesn't have like tea leaves in there, it's actually pretty thick. This is the tea bag. This is a
open it. Hot tea and hot soup.
Oh my god, this is the best for
on a rainy day. Alright guys, if you like this video, please give us a thumbs up and subscribe. And don't forget to follow us on Instagram and Facebook. Bye, see you next time.